How to fix WhatsApp has stopped on Android phone. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix WhatsApp has stopped on Android phone. First open settings and then go to apps and now apps again, and here just type WhatsApp, and now go to storage, clear cache, and then click now just go back and then restart your phone and try again, and that's it, your problem must be fixed. Click restart and go back, try again, and that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.